Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate HubSpot OAuth apps for CRM workflows, detailed guide step by step. To authenticate HubSpot OAuth apps for CRM workflows, you first need to create a HubSpot developer account. Once your developer account is set up, log into the HubSpot developer dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section and click on Create an App. Fill in the necessary details for your app, including the name, description, and logo. In the app settings, locate the Auth section. Select OAuth 2.0 as the authentication method. Now, you'll need to configure your redirect URL. Enter the URL where HubSpot will redirect users after they authorize your app. Save the changes to your app settings. Next, generate the client ID and client secret for your app. These credentials are crucial for the OAuth authentication process. Open your preferred development environment to start coding. Use the client ID and client secret to create an authorization URL. The URL should include your client ID, the requested scopes, and the redirect URI. Instruct users to access this URL to initiate the OAuth authorization process. Once they approve the permissions, HubSpot will redirect them to the specified redirect URL. This URL will include an authorization code as a query parameter. Capture this authorization code in your application. Now, exchange the authorization code for an access token. Send a POST request to the HubSpot token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, the redirect URI, and the authorization code in the request body. Upon successful exchange, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store these tokens securely in your application. The access token allows you to make authorized requests to the HubSpot API. Remember that the access token has an expiration time. When it expires, use the refresh token to obtain a new access token without user intervention. Make sure to handle token storage and renewal to ensure seamless user experience. Integrate the HubSpot API calls into your CRM workflows using the access token. Test your integration thoroughly to ensure everything functions as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.